Alright everyone, today I'm going to make a quick video to show you how to do transitions in Davinci Resolve. First of all, let's do this. I'm going to cut this clip. I'm in cut, so I'm going to cut this clip and we're going to put a transition right here. So we go up to transitions and we'll just take cross dissolve and we'll drag it down and we can put it right here. Alright, now if you're having problems with this, which is the reason you're probably here, you probably are running into this right here. So I'm going to do another one between these two clips and look at that, it won't do anything. It doesn't pop up. When you try to leave it there, when you try to put it there, it just goes away. So the reason that happens is because of one, the device you use to record the content, and two, the other reason it's doing it is because you're using two separate clips, two separate files, and it's having a problem merging the two there. So here's a quick workaround. Now as you see, this is another clip I added right here. And as you just saw me demonstrate briefly, the clip was fine. Now I just realized that I didn't plan that. I thought it wouldn't show up because this is a different clip from this. In fact, this is a completely different device, but again, it is a device. It's the device that is allowing me to do this. I recorded this on my cell phone, and over here I recorded this with my SLR, and that's the reason it's not doing it there. I won't get into the nit grit of why it does it and why it will do it, but let me show you the workaround. So first, let's do this. Let's go back here to two SLR splits, and I actually do need to add a transition here. So once again, I'll pull it down. We'll see it's actually allowing me to do that one now, but we see it's nothing over here. So here's what you do. Very easy. You take this clip, we go into edit because it won't let us do it there. Take this clip, you drag it over, pull down, video transitions over here, cross dissolve, and voila, it works. Why you gotta do that, I don't know. Now if you wanna, now you just bring it back, and now this one will work. Pow! And then you just take it here and you drag it, bring it down to 10 seconds or whatever. That's a pretty good time on this side, down to 10 seconds. You look at the number on the bottom, and then let's move our scrubber, and here you go.
In the detail.
There you go. Did you see it? Nice smooth transition. See that? It works good. Now this is dark, so kind of can see that. And there you have it. Hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.